Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, DIY Hooked on Custom Crafts. This is Denise, and today's video is going to be a demonstration on using water slides for your dominoes. So I did a video previously on using dominoes and using the Cricut machine and using the Oracle 651 vinyl, but this one is similar. However, we're going to use these. These are water decal paper, and it is a water slide, and it's white, so it is opaque. It's the white kind. And again, I want to thank you all for supporting me and watching my videos and giving me the thumbs up. Shout out to all my subscribers. And also, if this is your first time watching, please remember to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get it started. Hi guys, so one of the things I want to do is I want to make sure that the back of the domino is nice and smooth. That way that water slide would neatly adhere to it and line up. So the first thing I do is I look for those little pokey edges, take a little water, and this is the 2000 wet and dry sandpaper. So we're just going to sand it and get that sanded. Make sure that edge is smooth. Apply a little pressure. So now that's nice and smooth. And it's going to make a big difference when you're putting on your water slide. So that feels nice and smooth. Just a little effort gives you some really professional results. So just keep that in mind when you're crafting and take your time. So we're good here, guys. So I don't want to sit here and show you all 28 dominoes filed, but I usually file them, and you see it has a little residue. Put them in a little water, shake them off, make sure they're nice and clean, and just wipe them off with a towel, and I set them aside. So there you have it. That's the way I'm going to clean all the dominoes, and I will be back to show you the water slides and how to apply them. Hi guys, welcome back. So look at there. Here are all the water slides that we're going to put on all these beautiful dominoes. These are just absolutely beautiful, and they turned out really great. So without further ado, let's get started